Hello everyone, it is time for math. Now we've been working really hard on subtraction, right? And we've learned a couple different strategies to solve some subtraction problems. Well, we're going to go back over those strategies because it's always nice to go back and review, right? And get some more practice in, right? So we're going to do that today, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find one of the other strategies that you haven't used very much. Maybe you'll get a little bit of interest in that and you'll try that, okay? So let's give it a shot. Now first, we come across a subtraction sentence like this. 5 minus 3 equals, right? And what we're doing here is trying to find the difference. The difference between 5 and 3. That will be what goes here, right? What it's equal to. What is the difference equal to? It goes right here. Now sometimes you're going to see the problem presented like this. It's going to be given to you like this. Other times it's going to be like this. This and this are the same thing, right? It's just set up a little bit different. We have 5 minus 3 equals, and over here we have 5 minus 3 equals. So it's the same, right? Now, the first strategy that we tried, and the first strategy that we really got comfortable with was using the dots. And we can do that right here. So first, subtraction problem 5 minus 3. So let's make our 5 dots. There's our 5 dots. Now how many are we going to take away from that 5? That's right, 3. So we're going to circle 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And then cross that out. So we're not using those anymore. Now we count how many are left. 1, 2. So our answer is 2. So this means that the difference between 5 and 3 is 2. And the same here. The answer, when you are writing the answer in a problem set up this way, you put it down below. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now we have a couple other strategies that we can use, and I know a lot of you like to use the cubes. So let's do that same problem with our cubes. What do you say? There you go, Mr. T. Thank you, Mr. Fox. Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Fox, make a quick appearance. Alright, so I have 5 cubes. Here are my 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5. I'm going to take away 3. Our problem is 5 minus 3, so let's take away 1, 2, 3. And we are left with 2. So that's another way to do the same problem, right? So we used dots, we used our cubes, and the next one is our number line. This is our number line. This one, I don't know if we've used this one a lot, but this is a very cool math tool. So in this one, we want to find the difference between 5 and 3. We start off at 5. Right? We start off at 5. Now when we're subtracting, we're getting smaller, right? Because if I had 5 and I'm taking away 3, I'm getting smaller. So we're going to move this way along the number line, because that is getting smaller. So there is our 5. And we're going to take away 3. How do we do that on this number line? Do you remember? You're going to make jumps. You're going to make jumps. So you start at 5, and if you're taking away 3, you're going to make 3 jumps. And let's see where we land. We're at 5. Here's 1 jump. Here's 2 jumps. Here's 3 jumps, and I ended up on 2. See that? We just did 3 different strategies, and they all gave us the same answer. Now the reason why I'm showing you these different strategies, again, is I want you to choose the ones that work best for you. Because we're all different, our minds work differently. Some of these strategies will be a little bit easier for some of these strategies will be a little bit easier for others. And it doesn't matter which one it is. Just figure out which one is best for you. So let's do another problem so we could keep practicing this, okay? So let's take a look at a second subtraction problem, and this time let's get a little bit bigger number, okay? Nothing crazy yet. Why don't we have Yes. 10 minus 8. Okay. We want to find the difference between 10 and 8. What strategy should we start off with? You know what? Let's start with our cubes. And here are 10 cubes. Let's count them to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10. 10 cubes. And we're going to take away 8 of these cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. We'll take it apart right there. And what am I left with? 2. So does that mean 10 minus 8 is 2? The difference between 10 and 8 is 2? I think so, but you know what? If we're not sure and we want to double check, let's use one of our other strategies. What do you say? Let's go to the number line. Find 10 on the number line. 10 is where we're starting, and it's 10 minus 8, so how many leaps are we making now? 8. We're going to hop back 8 times, right? So let's go back 8 times. Ready? Starting at 10. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you know what? I kind of got lost there. Here's what I can do. So I have a marker, and this is one that I can wipe off. But if you don't have it, you can use a pencil and just go light on there. Watch, I'm going to start at 10, and I'm going to go back 8. And I'm going to show each hop that I make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where did I end up? Right here at 2. So again, this strategy says that 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, let's go to our dots to triple check this, right? So I'm going to have to draw how many dots? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now how many of these dots do I need to circle and cross out? That's right, 8. So we got to get 8. So we have 5 here. So all of these, and then we'll go 6, 7, 8. How about that? Cross all of these guys off. Now my job is just to count up what is left over. And how many are left over? 1, 2. Just 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Okay? So there, our strategies all gave us the same answers. It's all what you prefer. Okay? So I have some problems for you to work on today in your Chapter 2 book. We're going to turn the page to 88A, and we have problems 1 through 12. We're going to solve those using your favorite strategy. Solve those using your favorite strategy. Then, in your black folder that came in your school in a box, you have your black folder, you have in there a math facts paper, right? And you have, it's in a sheet, so you're going to use a whiteboard marker, dry erase marker, and you can put the answer right on there. I want you to do as many of those as you can, okay? Do as many of those as you can for extra practice, and use any strategy that you like, okay? All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me. Have fun with this math subtraction. You guys are doing excellent. Keep it up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.